Hello, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, thank you. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and also comment down below. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by once again. So I started off by applying a base color because I already prepped my nails off camera, and then I went in to apply my red nail polish.
But I don't sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do. Sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
I did apply 2 coats of the red nail polish, and honestly I hope I film a better video next time because I was totally out of coverage. I had to remove a lot from this video. I was totally out of coverage. Please pardon me. My next video is going to be better. I'll look for a way to bring the phone closer because it's a bit high and I cannot see what my phone is actually filming. So I went in with the pinkish nude color, I don't know, and I painted it on the 2 fingers that I didn't use the red on.
But I don't sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Up into the nail art. Like I said, I was out of coverage for a lot of things in this video, but I did go in with the white polish in dots, and then I also did the dots for the black polish. Pardon me, because I did not notice that I was out of coverage. Then I did the thing you see me doing there to get that particular design, and I was so happy. And then I wanted something different for my thumb, so I went on and did the French line there with the nude color. Just 1 coat for the French tip because I didn't want it to be that bold. I just wanted something subtle going on there. And after that, I applied a top coat and cured it in the lamp, and I went on with my most important and favorite step, which is my cuticle oil. It just tells me, girl, you're done with your nails. And I just like the whole process of going through that. And that is all for the video. I hope to see you next time. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope you found value in this video. Until my next video, bye.
But I don't sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.